drop is completely topped off now. Highest point of the ride is finished. Wow. As you can see, Sky Cabin is still chilling at the top. More of the supports have gone in for the Cobra roll, it looks like, but not too much track added for the Cobra roll, at least. More supports over there have been added for the overbank, so let's go check. I can't entirely remember what this feed system is in the middle of this little beam is called, but I do know it's where the chain will go from the top of the lift all the way back down. I'm not entirely sure what these supports are for, but they look quite interesting. But they're right below where the overbank turn will be, so I have no idea. Maybe a sign or something? I have no clue. But Hangtime is looking amazing, topped off. Let's just hope in the new year we have fully completed track by the end of the month of January.